Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so general read. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So ano bang meron sa'yo? Okay, this day. Oo, sa date na nakalagay sa video. So, syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again po, yes, kung kayo ay interested sa ating private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Legit, FB page, yeah. Ang dami na po kasing nagaya ng atin pong FB page, no? And yeah, if you're interested din sa ating mga charms and sa ating pang-protection from evil eye, message lang din po, no? So, sasagot naman si admin hanggat maaari, no? So, konting pasensya lamang kasi, syempre, isa lang si admin. Okay? Oo. And, ano pa ba? Yeah, so meron tayong mga protection from evil eye. So we do have ring. Yung ring natin is adjustable. And meron din tayong necklace and bracelets. Okay, sa mga interested, you can ask admin naman para makita ninyo yung image, yung picture. And syempre yung ating the big 3 charms. So unahin natin ito, si cord cut. So nag-aalis siya, nagka-cut siya ng mga nagbibigay ng hindi magandang energy sa'yo, nagbibigay ng alat, no? At ikaw ay pinanggagalingan ng MALAS. Ayaw natin yang banggitin dahil ayaw natin yang magmamanifest. So, ayun ang job description niya. Alisin kung ano man yung nagbibigay sa'yo nun. Okay? And magsilbing blockages doon sa mga gusto pang pumasok. Okay? And syempre, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Oo. So, yes, with citrine stone. Citrine stone po isa tawag dito, money magnet. Nag-a-act siya as money magnet. So, syempre, para makakuha ka ng mataas na sales, makakuha ka ng, in general, pagdating sa kaperahan is pagtaas, increase, okay? And syempre, madalas pong ginagamit ng mga nagbi-business. Ito, no, yung ating mga citrine stone. Okay, nalagay nila sa mga jewelry nila, mga ganyang bagay. Kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, at gagamitin mo siya sa business, pwede naman. Okay, ilagay mo lang po siya sa red pouch. Okay, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa love lang, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa business lang, mga ganyan. Kung yung intention mo is for business lang or for love lang. Pero kung both, pwede rin naman. Walang problem dun. Kaya nga 2-in-1 no? And, mas maganda po samahan ninyo ito ng evil eye protection. Kahit anong evil eye protection, basta alam nyong legit, hindi problem. Okay? Para lang po maproteksyonan yung mga ibibigay nila sa inyo. Katulad rin po nito. Kailangan rin po ito ng, kasama ng, tawag ito, kailangan yung samahan ng evil eye protection. Okay? So, yes, ito si granter. Siya yung nag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? No downtime hanggat alam ni granter na deserve mo at wala kang blockages. Okay? Ang magandang kapartner nito is ito. Okay? Siya yung magtatanggal ng blockages or kung ano mga attachments meron para pumasok po yung minamanifest mo. Okay? And syempre, ano pa ba? Aside po sa minamanifest mo na i-grant ni granter, is meron siyang ibibigay pa rin sa'yo at least twice per week na surprise. Okay? Aside po sa inyong minamanifest. So, diba? So, this is unisex. Okay? Made to order po si granter. Oo, kasi ito po ay pinapagawa ko talaga. Okay? Hindi ko siya pinapagawa ng, okay, sige, lagay natin dyan. Baka may kumuha. No. Kaya ito yung madalas na laging nalilate kasi pinapagawa pa talaga. Okay? Anyway, so, hindi ko alam, ang lakas ata ng boses ko. So, meron tayong new segment, every reading, meron tayong, at least siguro sa dulo ng reading. So, tabayanan nyo yung dulo ng reading, okay? So, meron tayong mga kukuning mga charms dito, and tingnan natin kung magre-resonate, kung may magre-resonate pa rin sa inyo. It's like a reading pa rin, okay? So, titingnan natin kung para sa yung reading, may ganto, ganyan, okay? So, let's see. Let's start. Air signs. Okay. So, what's for you, air signs? Again po, ha, kung may mga tanong, message na lang po, ha, sa akin pong legit FB page. Okay? Na Fias Tarot. Syempre. So, what's for our air signs? What's for our air signs? Some of you could be waiting. Anyway, what's for our air signs? 7 of Wands and the 5 of Pentacles. This is the time for you na ikaw ay mag-say no. Okay? Yeah. This is saying no. I don't know kung anong meron. Okay? Ngayong araw na to, meron kang hihindian or meron kang i-reject, air signs. Okay? So, that's specific. Meron kayong hihindian ngayong araw or sa date ng nasa video. The Ace of Cups in reversed. The Chariot in reversed. Let's see. Some of you nasa sabihin nating energy ng nagmo-move on, no? Some of you, there's this water sign who is not ready to move on. Okay? Could be a Cancerian and the Pisces. The King of Swords. They still want closure from you. Or maybe ikaw, kailangan ng closure from them. The Moon. Hindi ko nakikita na mabibigay pa rin or mabibigay ba. Sa ngayon hindi nakatago pa po. No? So, mas maganda anong advice. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng naghihintay ng message or sign. Or maybe, ito na yung gawin mong sign. Okay? Kung ikaw itong nag-iisip na kailangan ko na bang mag-move on, kailangan ko na bang ipagpatuloy ito, yeah. I think this is a sign for you. Okay? So, what else? For air signs. The 7 of Swords. Meron kang angel number 777 kasi nakita ko kanina si 7 of Pentacles. We have your 7 of Wands, 7 of Swords. Okay, so we have your Chariot. So, number 7 siya. So, yeah, 777. Na nandito sa ating spread. So, the 7 of Swords. What's with that? I'm hearing tiptoe. The 2 of Wands in reverse. Baka makakalusot. May narinig akong ganon. Baka makakalusot kay air sign. Meron dito parang tatakas. May tatakas. I don't know. Meron din ditong energy. I don't know if this is about workplace, mga ganyan. Meron sa workplace. I'm hearing somebody is hindi mag-OT. Okay. Or hindi papasok. Or mag-early out. Mga ganung bagay. Anyway. So, this is silent. A silent action. Silent kasi tatakas. Huwag kayo maingay tatakas ako kay boss mamaya. Ganong energy. Ano ba to? 2 of Wands in reversed. The Hierophant. I don't know. Kasi pwedeng may commitments dito. Another commitments maybe. Yeah, the 8 of Coins. I think. Parang hindi ako pwedeng mag-OT ngayon. Tatakas na lang ako. Takas lang kay boss, huwag kayo maingay Kasi meron akong commitments din ngayon ngayong araw na to, may nakaschedule ako ngayon. Mga ganun bagay. Anyway. Okay, so some of you, this is saying na pwedeng somebody's in a relationship and pwedeng may makikipagkita kung kanino. And this is something, a red flag for me. This is a red flag. Okay, may makikipagkita kung kanino. And bakit kailangang nakatago? Iba sa inyo, I'm hearing a third party connection sa workplace. Pwedeng makompromise kayo, ha? Meron ako nakikitang ganyan. Okay? So, universe. Yeah, gagalaw si universe. Gagalaw ang fate, no? So, kung anong meron, I don't know. So, mamaya po, hintayin ninyo, ha, yung ating makukuha dito, ha? Kung ano man ang meron sa end po ng video. Okay, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Aries, Leo, Sag. What's for you? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Fire sign placements. What's for you? The Two of Wands in reversed again. And the 7. Oh, magkasama to kanina. Kay air sign. Some of you could be dealing with an air sign. Pwedeng ikaw yung kikitain ni air sign. And secret na pagkikita. Diba? Oo, pwedeng pakinggan mo. Oo, kung ikaw ay merong air sign na kakonek. I'm sorry. So, yeah. Magkasama to kanina sa spread niya. Two of Wands in reverse and the 7 of Swords in reverse. Meron ditong ibang energy. May mabibigyan ng opportunity this day. Okay? Or dyan sa date na nakalagay sa video. I'm hearing an opportunity, an open door of opportunity. The Lovers in reverse. The 9 of Swords. Okay. Some of you, yung opportunity na sinasabi dito is chance na makipaghiwalay ka na. Or may mangyaring hiwalayan pero ang nakikita mo is the negative side lang ng situation. Pero this is for the better. I think. See? The star. For the better. Open door of opportunity. Kung meron dito nakikipaghiwalay, hiwalayin mo. Yes. Okay? Yung mga nasa connection na, syempre, na hindi na ganun ka-stable. It's like, this is the right timing na lumabas ka na sa connection. Iba naman dito, may chance na merong makikilala. Yeah, may makikilala. Merong nag-admire sa iba sa inyo, mga fire signs. Okay? Could be a Gemini, fire, air. Pero I think the person is a red flag. Uunahan ko na. Okay? So what else? The 10 of Swords. And the 4 of Wands. Oh, may masisira sa bahay. Appliances. May mga pagkukumpuni akong nakikita dito or may mga kailangang kumpunihin. Ha? May mga papaltan siguro, may mga itatapon sa bahay. Pagpapalit siguro. Okay? Ng mga nasira ng gamit. Yeah. Sira. Anyway, what else? What else? The 5 of Pentacles. May mababasag. Ako nakikita dito. May mabibitawan, may mababasag. Be careful. What's with this 5 of coins? The 3 of coins. So this is 8 of coins in total. Some of you, there could be a co-worker na pwedeng hihingi ng tulong mo financially. May hingi ng tulong. And I think pwede mo namang pagbigyan. Okay? Or pwedeng meron pong offer or an issue pagdating sa workplace. Pero nakikita ko mapapagbigyan or mapapag-usapan ng maayos naman. Okay? So, there. So, fire signs, hintayin ninyo yung ating pagkuha nito. Oo. So, meron tayong mga bubunutin dito. So, this is another reading po. Ha? So, titingnan natin kung may magre-resonate sa inyo. So, sa end, after earth sign. So, next is water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. What's for you? What is for our water signs? Water signs. Water signs. Anong meron? Anong kailangang malaman ng mga water signs? Okay. Temperance. What's that? Sun in reverse. Avoid ninyong mag-judge agad. I don't know why. Even though walang judgment dito. Okay? Maging pasensyosa, iwasan yung magalit. Merong tawag dito, susubok ng pasensya mo. Yan, 6 of coins. Pwedeng may hihiram. Okay? Parang may patago. Parang responsibilidad na see the judgment. Diba? So, some of you, avoid ninyo na magalit. Okay? Avoid niyo magalit agad. So, hanggat maaari, kalkulahin niyo muna yung sitwasyon bago kayo mag-react. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Kung may hihingi ng tulong sa inyo, I think mas mabigat, no? Yung nakikita kong problema nung isa. Okay? Yeah, hindi naman yun para sa lahat, pero kung meron man pong hihingi ng tulong at parang maiinis ka dahil may problema ka rin, sabihin nating mas kailangan po niya ng help. Okay? Mas kailangan niya ng help. Anyway, could be a Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, an earth sign. So what else for water signs? Meron din ditong gusto makipag-ayos. Okay? The world, the universe. Yeah, this is the world. What's with that? The Ten of Swords. Endings, completion. Pwedeng may mga matapos na gawain this day. At makakapagpahinga ng magandahan. Okay? So, makakapaggawa pa ng mga decision after. Pwede ka pang may gawin after. Maybe work. After ng work, mayroon ka pang pwedeng gawin. Mga ganyang bagay. Unendings, completion, close. May naninig ako close. Anyway, so what else? The Ten of Coins in reversed. What's with that? The Six of Swords in the reversed. So, iwasan po natin na parang ngayong araw or sa date na nakalagay sa video, iwasan natin na parang magdalas-dalas, no? Pagdating sa paggastos or pagdating sa pera in general. Okay? Kasi pwedeng meron kang ibabalik or ibabalik mo yung binili mo, lalo na pricey. Kasi hindi okay or hindi tama or may sira, mga ganyan. Or sabihin nating may issue. Okay? What's with that Six of Swords in reverse? Meron dito ako nakikitang hindi tapos na contract at uuwi. Hindi tapos na contract at uuwi. Yeah, the Chariot. Yeah, the Star in reverse. Sana walang ganito. This is hindi maganda na energy. Merong uuwi na hindi tapos ang contract. Kasi may nangyaring issue or what. Yeah, the Seven of Wands. Or sabihin natin meron lang talagang nangyaring hindi tama or hindi okay doon sa panggagalingan niya. Kaya parang kailangan niyang umuwi na lang. That's sad. Again, water signs, ang tawag dito, hintayin mo ha, oo, kasi kukuha ako dito, pipili ako dito ng mga i-read pa natin. So, gamit yung mga charms. Okay? So, next, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, what's for you? What's for our Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. What's for our Earth signs? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm seeing 777. Number 777. The Page of Swords. Stalker. You have a stalker? Do you have a stalker, Earth signs? Somebody's watching you. Your ex. Your bitter ex is watching you, stalking you. Yeah, your ex. Why are they stalking you? Anong dahilan? Bakit ka ini-stalk nito? Let's see. Or pwedeng i-stalk ka ng ex mo. The Lovers in reverse. Hindi pa ito nakaka-move on. The Eight of Cups is here in reversed. Yeah. So, they felt a strong connection with you. So, I guess, hindi pa rin talaga ito totally nakakaalis sa connection or sa attachments na meron yung inyong connection. So, yeah. They want to hear from you. They want to see something. They want to know something about you. They're sad. What else? Yeah, your past person, your ex is sad. They're bitter. So what else for Earth signs? The High Priestess. Knowledge. Studies. What's with that? The Wheel of Fortune. Wow! Ito iba sa inyo. May mga makakapasa sa exam, sa board. Kung napataon ngayon sa reading na to, yes, claim mo na yun. Okay? Claim it. You're being guided, actually. You're being guided. Okay? This is sabihin natin nasa higher frequency. Some of you, ikaw itong parang ini-stalk or parang ginagabayan, no, ni universe or ng mga gabay na meron kayo kung meron man at kung alam nyo. Okay? You're being guided. Andito yung sabihin nating maging vigilant kayo, no, maging mapagmasid kayo sa araw na to or sa date na nakalagay sa mga signs, synchronicities. Okay? Kung sa tingin mo, yeah, follow your intuition. Okay? Follow your intuition. Intuition comes from your, sabi nating stomach. Okay? I think, sa stomach. I think, yeah, yung energy or yung pakiramdam na parang there's something wrong, there's something that odd feeling, mga ganyang energy, like, ay, parang ayokong pumunta dun. Mga ganyang bagay. So, sundin nyo yun. Okay? Sundin nyo yun. Anyway, what else for Earth signs? The Knight of Wands. Somebody's into you. Could be a fire sign. We have here Cancerian, Taurus. I'm hearing, yeah. I'm seeing air sign, Taurus, I don't know. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, so what's with this Knight of Wands? Knight of Wands. The Queen of Swords. Be careful dito sa taong to, like paligoy-ligoy siya. Okay, alam naman niya yung dapat, pero paligoy-ligoy. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. Meaning, siya yung parang nagmamaniobra ng situation. Okay? Some of you, may chance na meron kang i-reject. Yeah. What's this Knight of Wands? The Three of Cups in reversed. Yung parang walang plano. Yung parang hindi mo mapagkakatiwalaan. I think this is a player. Okay? Some of you, may chance na pwedeng may kukonect sa'yo. And I think they're a player. Yeah, the Moon. They have secrets. Okay? Meron ako nakikita rin dito na lakad. At meron ka ditong pwedeng hindi inaasahan na makikita. A friend. Okay, so I don't know kung anong meron. They're like too detached or cold or distant. Andun yung energy na parang susupladuhan ka or susupladahan ka. Okay? I don't know why. At the Page of Wands. Pero nakikita ka nila, actually. Makikita ka nila. Hindi ka lang nila papansinin. Or pwedeng ikaw yun. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo na. Sabi ko nga, diba? This is for all the zodiac signs. Okay? So, kuha ko ng ilan dito. So, hindi ako pipili. Siyempre, dapat hindi ko kita. Meron ditong mga charms, meron ditong mga signs, kung ano man ang mapili ko. Well, ating titingnan kung meron bang connection sa'yo. Okay, pwedeng para sa'yo itong reading, so gawin mong gabay. Okay, kuha tayo ng ilan. For all signs. Okay. Kalugin natin. Kuha ko ng ibang lalagyanan nito. Nahirapan ako. One more. Isa pa. Okay. There you go. So, let's see. Ano bang meron dito? So, we have here a dog. Some of you could be a dog lover. Or maybe your person is a dog lover. Or yeah. Okay, kung paano mo i-fit sa energy mo. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong dog. Tawag dito, hot dog. Yung mahaba. Oo. Nalimutan ko yung name ng aso. Anyway, so, meron din ditong Christmas wreath. Nakakuha ko rin ito kanina doon sa All Signs, the collective. So, nakuha ko rin to. So, maybe there's something pagdating sa Christmas. Okay? So, there's something significant around the Christmas time. So, meron din ito rin, nakuha ko rin to kanina sa isa nating reading. This is like a love potion maybe. Somebody's making rituals or into potions or kung ano man nga, no? Witchy stuff, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, there. So, next, we have here letter M. Letter M. Mama. Okay? It's an M. So, yeah, letter M could be significant. Pwedeng pangalan mo or pwedeng pangalan ng person na iniisip mo, mga ganyang bagay. So, meron din ditong flower. I don't know. Ano ba to? Daisy? Oo. Ito, meron din dito, a flower. Or maybe some of you, ikaw itong plantita na sinasabi. ng mga nakaraang panahon, o 'di ba? So meron ditong blue and pink. Blue and pink. Okay? So, somebody maybe loves flowers or pwedeng meron ikaw something. This is channeled. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong merong flower shop. Okay? So, ano pa? So, a heart. Pero yung para may flag ng USA, America, no? So, pwedeng somebody mo is nandoon or pwedeng foreigner. A heart with a American flag. Okay? So next, we have here starfish. A starfish. Yeah. And a seashell. Isa pa. Okay, iba dito pwedeng mahilig sa beach. Okay? Mahilig sa ocean. Yan, mga ganyang bagay. So another seashell. See? May mga nakaka-resonate ba dyan? So, the reading is for you. So, we have here crescent moon ba yung tawag sa ganito? Quarter. Ay, a crescent. Yeah. A moon with a star in it. Hindi lang mabigyan justice ng ating camera. So, yeah. Moon. We have here donut. Who loves donut? Favorite mo ba donut? So, or maybe somebody you know. Yeah. Okay. So we have here a bone. Bone. Yeah, some of you could be a dog lover nga, no? Okay. Bone. So we have here another, yeah, mga moon. Okay. So meron pa dito, oh. Ang tawag sa ganito, kainan ng dog. And yeah, meron ding bone doon sa loob kung nakikita nyo. Okay. So maybe a pet lover. Meron din ditong flower. So, yun nga kanina. Flower. So, another flower. A red flower. Okay, we have here a cross. Crucifix. Maybe somebody's religious. Could be you. Could be the person you're thinking. We have here a note. Somebody loves music. Do you love music? Are you a singer? Okay, so there. Or maybe you know how to sing. So, a blue cat. Maybe you love color blue. Okay? So, pwedeng meron kang male cat, male kitten. Okay? So, yeah. Another. Ooh, this is nice. Ngayon ko lang nakita to. A heart. Pero it's white. It's like pure. Ganda. Parang marble. Maybe somebody loves heart shape, marble, pure. Pero sa likod niya para siyang tawag dyan, leaf, dahon. Yeah. I'm hearing autumn. Next, or fall, a crown. Black crown. I don't know kung ano meron dito sa crown na to. Pero, yeah. There's something significant about this, maybe. Narinig ko Maleficent. Wala namang ganun si Maleficent. Anyway. So, last is rocking horse. Tama ba? Rock. Yeah. A lullaby. I'm hearing a lullaby. Okay? Rocking horse. Some of you could have kid. Yeah. Or ikaw itong may ganito sa bahay nyo. So there. See? 'Di ba? Another energy. So meron pa tayong dadagdagan ko to siguro. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Yan yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. So again, thank you. Goodbye.